maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure what date it is, but it is 8 o'clock in the morning and it is chilly. It is about 0 degrees Celsius, so it's the freezing point. And we're taking the Spitfire for a trip all entire summer. I didn't participate in many of the club drives, Toronto Triumph Club or any of the other clubs that they organized. But today I decided that I'm gonna take a break. I work hard and I need a break, so I decided I'm gonna take a break and participate in a drive that's organized by the Little British Car Club and Friends, which is local here for my area. And so we're gonna go, let me just see, there's a traffic light somewhere here. Do you see the traffic light? I just know it's there. But where? Wow. Wow. I'm sure there is. There you go. It's red. Now I can see it. Now I can see it. So now that it's a little bit more quiet, wow, that's an interesting Jeep. All colors. Nice. Okay, so the idea is that, so I'm going to David's. Actually, we meet with the club somewhere here in my area, but David needs a little bit of help with his car. It's changing his seats, I believe. So I'm going to help him with his seats, and then we're gonna drive together back here where we're gonna meet the other guys from the Little British Car Club and Friends, and we will see what the drive is gonna look like, but I'm sure it's gonna be a pretty nice drive, about an hour, and yeah, we will see about that. So I'll see you later. I don't know. Do we need explanation what that is? Good morning.
It's frosty. Let's do some work on the CR6.
Let's do some work and then go have some fun.
That's true. Inside rear bracket lining up. I managed to get it done.
Behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Cheftush behind the scenes. Alright, so we are on our way. We're gonna go meet up the other guys. We just got up. The sun is up and it's gonna be a beautiful day. Even though it's still chilly, I think it's about 3 degrees Celsius now. My car is having a hard time warming up and it doesn't drive very well when it's cold, but it is what it is. It's not made to drive in the winter. I actually have a 70 degrees thermostat there, or actually 170, I think it's called. 170 Fahrenheit, so yeah, it's not great. Anyways, so we're gonna meet with the other guys soon, and we're gonna go from there. Foggy again. We come close to my place and it's getting foggy again. It's patchy though. Anyway, well, these guys are worse than us. At least we are enclosed. Alright, so we're just arriving at our meet point. That's where we're gonna meet the other guys. Let's see if there's anyone here yet. Oh yeah. I see an Austin Healey, an MGB, and another TR6. Nice. We will see them. So these are the cars that are here so far, but I believe there are more coming. I just saw over there on the traffic light a TR6 coming too. You see it? Somewhere in the fog. So we have David's TR6, my Spitfire, the other David's TR6, that's Dave Butters. Then we have a top-down MGB, which is interesting. It's pretty cold for that, but somebody's brave. We have a 3000 Healey Mark III, another TR6, and there's this other one that's just coming. And maybe we're gonna have some more. We will see.
I took the TR7 in for undercoating there on Monday. Drove it in, beautiful. Put it up on the hoist, taking it off, put the foot in the clutch, right to the floor. Had to get it towed.
All right, it's getting busier and busier. Actually, that's a pretty good turnout. So there's a 1500 Spitfire there. There's another MGB came, another TR6 came, and what else? I think all the way over there at the end there's a TR7 that joined us. So I don't know if there are any other cars coming, but that's already a pretty good turnout. All right, so another MGB GT, another TR6, and an MGA. That's our leader actually, who normally drives a midget, but today he pulled out the MGA.
Can't say midget anymore. Not politically correct. It's little car. It's not midget.
Okay, I'm sorry. MG little car. He normally drives an MG little car, but today he's driving the MGA. Anyway, so I think that's the final count, and now we're gonna see what we're gonna plan, and we're gonna head north from here. Don't film and drive. signal light. That's cool. Wow, I think we're missing some cars. I guess they will make it, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, maybe that's everybody. I don't know. What are we missing? Spitfires are here, MGBs are here. Oh, I think we're missing one MGB. Yeah, that's what we're missing. One MGB disappeared. Some people are coming from different direction. It's a rare occasion where you can find a parking lot where you can park them all one next to each other, but look at that. And everybody is filming or taking photos because it's a really nice lineup. Alright, so we had some nice lunch with the guys. I had poutine with Stella, of course. And it's time to go home. So everybody's taking their separate ways. David and I are going to my place. So we are ready to go. Can't find my driveway. Yep, that's the one. The bumpy one. And we're home.